Tonight, you are lying comfortably in a warm, quiet room. Outside your window, gentle rain begins to fall, soft, steady, and calm. You are safe here, protected from the cold night, resting in a place that feels soft and still. There is nothing you need to do now, no problems to solve, no thoughts to follow. Only the quiet sound of rain. Listen. Tap, tap, tap. Each drop touches the window gently, then fades into the soft rhythm of the night. You take a slow breath in, feeling the warmth of your bed, and slowly breathe out. With every breath, your body begins to relax. Your shoulders soften, your face becomes calm, your eyes grow heavy. The rain continues outside, steady, patient, never rushing. Some drops fall lightly, like soft whispers. Others gather and slide slowly down the glass. You don't need to follow them, just notice them and let them pass. The room feels peaceful, wrapped in quiet, as if the rain is gently protecting this space. You breathe in again, slow and easy, and out, longer this time. Your body sinks deeper into the softness beneath you. The mattress supports you completely. The pillow holds your head. The blanket rests gently over you. Everything feels just right. Outside, the rain washes over the world, softening everything it touches. Roofs, trees, empty streets. And slowly, it softens your thoughts too. Any tension from the day begins to fade. Any worries drift further away. Like distant lights behind rain, blurred and unimportant. You don't need to hold on to them. Only the present moment remains. Your breathing, slow and steady. The rain, calm and endless. Your body feels heavier now, comfortably heavy. Your arms rest quietly, your legs feel warm and still. Your mind becomes quiet, like the still space between each drop of rain. Tap, tap, tap. The rhythm is simple and soothing. It asks nothing from you. You can let go completely. You are safe. You are warm. You are allowed to rest. The world outside fades further away. Only the sound of rain remains. You drift deeper and deeper. Your breathing becomes softer, almost effortless. Your body sinks into stillness. You feel supported, held, at peace. If a thought appears, let it pass, like a drop of rain sliding gently away. Nothing needs your attention. Nothing needs your energy. Only rest. The rain continues its gentle song. Soft, steady, endless. You begin to drift now, slowly, gently. Sleep is coming closer. There is nothing to resist, nothing to control, only this calm moment. Your body feels completely relaxed, your mind quiet and still. The room is peaceful, the night is soft, the rain is steady. You are drifting deeper and deeper. The sound of rain becomes softer, more distant, like a lullaby fading into the background. Your breathing slows even more. Your body is fully at rest. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. Only sleep. Gentle, deep, peaceful sleep. The rain continues outside, quietly, through the night. And you continue to drift into stillness, into calm, into deep sleep. Deeper and deeper until you are fully asleep.